Welcome to Arden Botanical Estate. This is located in Tanza and Trece Martires, Cavite, just 51 kilometers away from Metro Manila and less than an hour going to Tagaytay. Introducing Arden Botanical Village. Arden Botanical Village is the flagship project of Megaworld in Arden Botanical Estate, a 251-hectare township project of Megaworld in the south. Residential lots in Arden Botanical Village starts at 280 up to 600 square meters. This property also offers perpetual or lifetime ownership. If you miss the chance to own a premium residential lot in McKinley Hill Village, McKinley West Village, and Alabang West Village, now is your perfect time to own one. Don't miss out the chance to live in the Philippines' first botanical-themed township, Arden Botanical Village. Invest now in Arden Botanical Village. For priority presentations, actual site tripping, please feel free to contact the number on the screen. See you on the next update.